Okay.
So, namaste children. How are you all? Okay. So, you all like to celebrate birthdays, right? And what do you do on your birthday generally? Devanshi, can you say in stand?
I celebrate my birthday by cutting cake and opening presents and celebrating with my friends.
Okay. And do you give anything on your birthday, Sahash? Do you distribute anything to your friends? You will give return gifts. Like you're distributing something, you're sharing something on some birthdays or events, right? Yes or no? So now suppose Sahash birthday it is, and he has got 3 pizzas, right? And he called his friends. You come here, Sahash. He has got 3 pizzas, and he called out his 3 friends, Saurya, Lohit, and you come on, Lohita. Now how you are going to give them? Like equally, you have to give them the pizzas. This side, this time. This side, this time. 3 of you stand this side. 2. It's easy to distribute 3 pizzas, right?
Yes.
You can sit down. Sit there with the pizzas. I'll take it. It's very easy to distribute simple things. Then what about some other numbers, like if the numbers are more and you have got the same 3 friends, and now see I have got some crayons which I want to distribute to my friends. Okay? Now I have got 9 pencils with me, 9 color pencils. Okay? Divisha, 3 of you come here. Stand here. Now I have got how many pencils? 9 pencils, right? Now I have 3 pens and I have to distribute them equally, these 9 pencils. Then I use the concept of division, that is sharing. Okay? So my concept is division. Now let's see first with how I am going to distribute and what is the name I am going to give for them. Okay? So how many pencils I said? 9 pencils. Now I am going to share them equally to each of my 3 friends, right? Then how I am going to distribute it? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now how many you got? Show it up. How many you got? And how many you got? So equally they are distributed or not? This is called equal distribution. What is this called?
Equal distribution.
Now keep the pencils there and go to your place. Now on this equal distribution, I will show you something, okay? A presentation. By using this data edge. Now watch this video, children.
It's my birthday today, and my mom has made arrangements for a party. Mom has made some yummy cookies. I need to distribute these 6 cookies equally among 3 plates. Can you please do that for me?
Now can we do
I
that?
can drop the cookies into the plate to distribute them equally. I am now packing return gifts for my friends. It's my birthday today, and my mom has made arrangements for a party. Mom has made some yummy cookies. I need to distribute these 6 cookies equally among 3 plates. Can you please do that for me? I can drop the cookies into the plate to distribute them equally.
See, 1 cookie, next the next plate, and then the next plate. Now again, the 4th cookie in the first plate, then next plate, and then the next plate.
Great job!
So each got how many cookies?
2. Here, we divided 6 cookies into 3 equal groups. Each group has 2 cookies. So, we can say 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2.
This is called equal
And we
distribution.
already know that distributing or sharing of objects into equal groups or sets is called division. I am now packing return gifts for my friends. I have 4 bags and 12 chocolates. If I want to distribute the chocolates equally, how many should I put in each bag? To carry out this division, I will recite the 4 times table in my mind till I get 12. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. So, I will be able to divide the chocolates equally if I put 3 in each bag.
Now, just a minute, children. Now we have learned equal distribution. Now, the second picture where 3 chocolates are given in the 4 boxes. That is another way of doing this division. And do you know division symbol is this? You already learned it. Okay? So now just before I divided 9 crayons among 3 friends. And each got how many? 3. So this is called dividend. They are the parts of the division. This is called divisor. And this is called quotient. Okay, now we are equally distributing and sharing the cookies or pencils or whatever it is. The next problem, there were 12 chocolates and there are 4 bags. Now each of them should get equal chocolates in each bag. Then what she has done, she has recited tables, right? So now what is the divisor here? 4. So do you all know 4 table? Yes. Can you repeat it like, wait, I will ask one of you in the class. Yes, Risha, can you tell 4 table? Yeah, tell 4 table.
4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8.
Yes.
4 3s are
4 3s are 4 3s are 12. So how many 4 3s are 12? Here 12 is divided by 4. So each one will get how many chocolates? 3 chocolates. That way she has done the division in this classedge. Now we will have a small quiz of this equal distribution. Let's see whether you can answer this or not. Okay? Yeah. Now here this is kind of a game. I will not call the roll numbers. Automatically they will come. They will only stand. Okay? Who is roll number 13 there? Yes, stand up, Nana. Now you see the question. Can you read the question? Read it. Represent. Yes, equal sharing. By seeing the picture, can you see where it is equal sharing is done? See, everybody in the class, is it correct? Is she right? See, because here see each plate has got 4 halves, right? So this is the correct option. Let's see whether she is right or not. Yes, she is correct. Okay? Very nice, Rovika. Thank you. Now, again I will click this game. Let's see whose roll number will come. Yeah, it's 5. Who is 5? Yes, Adya. And we have the next question. Can you say this? Dash divided by 9 is equal to 7. The dividend you have to find. Anybody else? Adya? Can you say Adya? Yes, Reyansh? 63. How did you say that? 7 9s are 63. Here you can multiply the divisor and the quotient also, then you will get the dividend. Okay? So 9 into 7 is 63. Let's see. Yes, Reyansh, you are right. Now next roll number 27. Yes, Rudra. Can you read the question and answer? There are 15 fish in the tank. You want to move them into 3 fish bowls. How many fish will fit into each fish bowl?
3, 5, 8.
A is the answer. Like 15 fish in the tank. Now you divide that into 3 fish bowls.
15 divided by
Yeah, 15 divided by 3. That is what we have to do first. Okay, let's go. Yes, you are right, Rudran. Thank you. Thirteen.
Okay.
Ten. Yes, Yashwan. See this question. Spider has 8 legs. This I will skip now. This I will teach numbers. Now you see this. If 21 apples are shared among 7 children, how many will each child get? Will you show it equal distribution? Come out. Come out here. You come here. 5 members. You stand here. 5 and Jatin and Kavira. Come. Stand here in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will give you, imagine these are the apples because we will have 21. Distribute fast 21. I will give you 21. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21. Now you show equal distribution as well. Hold the stop this. Yeah. Now you go on giving and you find out how many each will get. Hold it. You hold it. Yeah. This is what kind of distribution, children? Now you find out each one how many got after giving the last count. Yes? Now find out each one how many they got. Ashwin? 3 they got. So what is the answer there? Let's see whether it is correct or not. Okay? You go to your places, children. Afterwards I'll take the chalks. Is it? Yes, Ishwant is right. This is called equal distribution, okay? Now, I will go with the next topic, repeated subtraction. Division is equal distribution. There is one more method of finding or sharing the things, that is repeated subtraction. Now, I will take some more crayons again. The same 9 pencils I will take. And come here, crayons. Come, go. How many come here? Now I am going to divide the 9 pencils among 3 friends again. So now this is repeated subtraction. What is the question here? 9 pencils among how many? 3. Right? So now in this 3 I will take directly and then I will give to Pavani. Take these 3 pencils. Now how many are there with me? 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. One time I subtracted, remember. Now again 6 minus 3 I am doing. Now she got 3. Now I have how many? 3. Now 6 minus 3 I get 3. How many times we subtracted now? 2 times. Now how many are there in my hand? 3. Now 3 minus 3 is how much? 3 minus 3 is how much? 0. Now how many times I subtracted? 3. So 3 times subtracted. So 9 minus 3 is 3. That is repeated subtraction. How we can find the answer? Now each one got equal pencils or not? You got how many? You got how many? You got how many? 3. So this is called repeated subtraction. Okay? Let's see a video on repeated subtraction using the classedge. Please go to your places, children. Thank you. Please watch this video.
These
division and repeated subtraction?
How many lollipops are there?
Achha, can I have one of those candies?
Not now, Pasha. Just watch what I am doing. I have these 8 candies here. I take 2 candies and put them in this box.
So, 6 candies are left on the table.
Right. Again I take 2 more and put it in another box. Now there are 4 candies left. Now I put 2 candies in another box. There are 2 candies left on the table. And here are the last 2 candies. I put these two in a box. What do you see now?
Well, there are no candies left on the table.
Exactly. What I did here was to divide the 8 candies equally in groups of 2. By doing this, I got 4 equal groups. So, I have to use 4 boxes. This means that 8 divided by 2 is 4.
What is this sign?
That is the division sign. This is how we write 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now, Pasha, can you see how many times we subtracted 2 candies?
How many times it's subtracted, children?
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4. So as it is subtracted 4 times,
We performed the subtraction 4 times till we reached 0. Now this shows us that 8 divided by 2 is 4. Do you see the connection now? There are 4 boxes. And the subtraction was performed 4
4
times.
times. You understand repeated subtraction, children?
What would we do to divide these 8 candies by 4?
One second. Come Nihali, Vedant, come here. And Dr. come here. Take this Nihali and use it repeated subtraction. Now we will learn repeated subtraction now. You have a video, you understood? Stand here. You have to use repeated subtraction and distribute the pencils among between these two. From that side, yeah. You have 5 pencils, right? Yeah, 2 sets, so 4 divided by 2. Fine, yeah. So 2 minus 2. So how many times is subtracted? 2 times. So what is the answer? 2. Check out whether they got 2 pencils or not. Yes, very good. Keep there and go. Thank you, Nihali. Keep the pencils there. And let's have a quiz on this. Okay, are you ready? See here. Now, what is that? Okay, let me go back. Yes. Please 22. Nirvigna, can you answer this? Which of the following is same as 63 divided by 9 is equal to 7? How many times you have to subtract 9 from 63? You see the answer here. Wherever the answer is. Yes, people? 9. How many times we have to subtract? 63 minus 9. How many times we have to subtract? Anybody? Yes, Devanshi? 7 times. Here only the answer is just now I told you that. Square divided by. Okay, okay. Understood. Okay. 4 divided by 2 just now Nihali has done, no? So how many times I subtracted means that is the only answer, right? 4 minus 2, then that is equal to 2, 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. Like 2 times I subtracted, so I wrote the quotient as 2. Here, 63 divided by 9 is 7 means we have to subtract 7 times 9, then we will get the quotient 0. Okay? Let's try that is subtraction. Finally, it will be 0, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times we subtracted, so B is the correct option. Okay. Okay? Now shall we go to the next question? 14. 14 number. Very standard. Can you say this answer? 27 divided by is equal to dash. Is equal to. Which is the correct option? Why 0? I am going to divide 27 by 0. Yes. Yes, Rahul. 27 divided by this 10 is not there. Actually, it's not there. 27 divided by 12 somewhere. 9. Okay, is equal to 27 minus 9 and minus 9. How many times is subtracted? So all 9, 27 divided by 9 is how much actually? How many times is subtracted? So what is the answer? So 27 divided by 9 is equal to 3 is the answer because 3 times are subtracted 9. So let's see the option. This is the correct option, okay? Yes. Which of the following shows division by repeated subtraction? Which you can identify as repeated subtraction, children? This one or this one or this one? Equally where you are seeing equal subtraction. C. Yes, you are right. Okay. Twenty roll number. Is it repeated? 20 Nihali. Which of the following correctly depicts 21 divided by 7? Which one? C. You think and tell. 21 divided by 7 means what I have to do? How much I should subtract? C. How much I should subtract? 21 divided by 7. How much I should subtract, Dikshit? What I have to subtract first, tell me. This is what the device here. Yes, Pavani? 21 minus 7. 21 minus 7 is how much, children? 21 minus 7. Huh? 14. Very good. 14 minus 7 is how much? 7. Again, 7 minus 7 is how much? 0. How many times I subtracted 7? 3. So, 21 minus 7 minus 7 minus 7 is equal to finally I got 0. This kind of option where you are seeing? B. Then you have to tell B, no? Yes. So, set up you are saying C how? C. Again, right? The last question, let's see. Which of the following division sentence equals to 12 minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 12 divided by 12 divided by, can you see 6? What is the number there? What number you are subtracting? That will be the divisor. So 12 divided by 2 is equal to, yeah, even. It is 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Okay? Now the next topic is relation between multiplication and division. Let's see the class presentation. I will explain it. Yeah, see this children. Do you all know multiplication tables?
Pasha, looks like your soldiers are getting ready to march.
Yes, Asha. Look, I have divided these 15 soldiers into 3 groups.
Ah, so you have learned division. All the more reason you should memorize those multiplication tables.
What does multiplication tables got to do with division?
Well, there is a relation between multiplication and division. Let's see how many soldiers you have got in each group.
Each group has 5 soldiers. 15 divided by 3 is 5.
Now you have 3 groups of 5 soldiers. How did you find the total number of soldiers?
I will multiply 3 by 5. 5 into 3 is 15. There are 15 soldiers.
Here is the interesting thing. In multiplication, you start with 3 groups of 5 and join them into one group of 15. And in division, we start with a big group of 15 and break it up into 3 groups of 5. You see, Pasha, division is just the opposite of multiplication.
So, for each multiplication fact, there is one division fact.
Actually,
One division fact or two division facts?
there are 2 division facts.
Two means
So multiplication fact is 5 into 3 equals 15. Now 5 and 3 come together to give 15. So if we divide 15 by 3, we get 5. And if we divide 15 by 5, we get 3.
That's okay, Aisha. Now, how do I use multiplication tables to divide?
Say you have to divide 24.
Yes. Now see here children. Now you just saw multiplication and division. What is the relation between them? Okay. So as you saw in the picture, there are 5 soldiers in each group. And how many groups are there? 3 groups. Okay. So 5 into 3 is equal to how many? Total you have 15 soldier toys with you. Now to see 15 soldier toys, if I want to divide with 5 friends, then how you will do? You will do equal distribution or repeated subtraction, or you have to read the 5 table. What is 5 table here? Can you say 5 table? Yeah. What is this? 5 3s are 15. So 15 divided by 5 is how much? 3. Same way, if I want to distribute these 15 soldiers among 3 people, then again read 3 table. What is 3 table? 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. So for every multiplication fact, there are 2 division facts. You see this division facts? One is 5 into 3 is 15 means 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. That is what was explained in the cottage class about these division facts. Was it interesting or are very